Hi everyone, She'll fix it. Like a dum-dum, when I did my video of cranking up all the vehicles, I did what I typically do in the Jeep and the CJ7, and I get annoyed with myself, and I very accidentally left the key in the ignition, and I'm hoping that I can get her cranked up to make sure that she doesn't end up with a super dead battery. So we will see how this goes. Because now I have to charge up her battery by letting her run. Shoot. Might want to have her not in here for this. This is ridiculous. Try to let her run for a minute. Or not. I don't even think so. Okay, horse. Come on. Choke on. Come on. Alright, we'll let you run for a little bit and see how you work out. You can't keep this. You gotta have a different paint job. Talk about changing your colors, make you join the rest of the family. Did you just want to stay the color that you are? You know, I know you weren't originally this color. Like, you clearly were like cream or beige or something. Maybe green. I don't know. Come on. Jeez. You gotta start up and stay cranked up because your battery's probably almost dead. And I have to go. I got houses to work on. What was that? Why are you ticking?
I really agree with ticking, Gladys. not trying to kill him. You guys feel research what you got because I know where the mechanical buildup was for the Jeep. What did you have an electric one? Maybe that's what you're making that ticking noise though. So why aren't you working? I think you have an electric filter. Yeah, I think you do. Or you have some dumped up lines.
Gladdy and her misadventures. Might grab the keys for the Jeep and try to crank her. I gotta go. I don't know. See if this one will stay cranked up. I'll go crank up the other one too. Be back in a second. I cranked up the CJ. I didn't have her cranked up for a while. And you too? Oh man, try to take my tripod and everything. It's ridiculous. All right, Gladdy, man. No, come on, ma'am. Okay, you can play for a couple minutes. Then we have to go tonight, though. Okay, Mommy has lots of work to do on the houses. Okay. Ridiculous. Absolutely flippin' ridiculous. I'm gonna figure out what that tick is. Stay on. Oh, she's going to play, so. Alright, let's check out the Jeep. You know, I haven't even checked the oil in these things in a while because, like, everybody's like, oh, crank up the vehicles. So I think I should do that before I let them run. Alright, well this is going to end up turning into a how-to video. Which is normal Michelle Fix-It stuff. So, I'll grab a paper towel and I'll show you guys her oil level and then I will do a how-to video. Seriously, Laddie, I walk away from you for a second and you gotta do that. Okay, well, this is the end of you guys' video because now I'm going to do some how-to videos on checking the fluids in your vehicles to make sure that they're good. And evidently, she's still ticking. And something is weird with this. You hear the tick? I hear the tick. Your oil is super duper dirty. And you need 2 quarts of oil. You need oil change. Yeah, you need an oil change. Desperately. I'm sorry. But you also have to stay cranked up because I don't know what your battery's at, and I know that she drains pretty quickly. That's not good. That's not good at all. Alright, since you guys like the crank up video so much, let's try to get her going again. And then really I'm gonna end the video because this is like I gotta do some how-tos on check the oil and stuff for my how-to videos. Man. The ultimate fake out because you started up like super fast, super duper fast in that first video, and now you want to be all bratty and stuff and super. Oh, there's somebody for Amazon. Yay! Stand by. Hello. Oh, this door. Yeah. Yay! It's my labels. I ordered labels because there are so many vehicles now. I can't remember who had what done. So I'm gonna write like for oil changes and for the miles of like when they need another oil change, when they need a transmission flush, or not flush, but a transmission fluid change and filter, when they've had their brake lines bled or brakes. Basically, I've been having where there's like a whole bunch of these guys up here. So when I get into a vehicle, I know the last time that they had maintenance, and I can look at their miles and know that they're due for whatever maintenance. It's gonna be awesome. It's gotta be like a electric fuel pump or something. Wait, there's something back here. Maybe your fuel tank is like broken or something. Your fuel tank isn't even under your bed. Sorry. Alright, that really is the end of your video now. I will see you guys next time. She's a good truck. I just gotta whack her and like... Holy crap, I've been out here for half an hour. Alright, have a great day. Jeep power, Jeep love. It'll be really good whenever I get my little stickers going and stuff. So I'll see you guys next time. You're already liked and subscribed if you're seeing the video, I'm assuming. And thanks for all the members and the videos and stuff. I love sharing my vehicle passion with you guys. Gives me an excuse to crank them up, right?